Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, remember or do you know that advice that Moshata, the older woman give you? That advice yobuti ukusukela esinqeni guys going downwards as umfazi you don't awukwati ngaleyo department. It looks like Umayeni understands that very well, you guys, because tell me why. When uThobile says to uMusa phela ukuthi if we're going to go through le ndaba ye-IVF, it means ukuthi wena Musa, you must not be sexually active for the next 2 weeks. uMusa in his diary session is like vele uMatsele, she won't have a problem with it because sekamdala. I don't like that statement, guys. Angithandi. Anyway, let's move there. Then he says uMangwabi uzojabula kabi because vele yena any opportunity to not go to that department, Mangwabe, she takes it gladly. I understand Mangwabe because Mangwabe is a nurse. Do you know those shifts that they work? Anyway, when it comes to Umayeni, it's like Umayeni, she's the only one who will have a problem with no sex for 2 weeks, you guys. And it made me think of a conversation where Umayeni was like, listen, where Musa, I'm not the one who said, Hambolandu number 5. Mina when you come, Kwami, I don't want to hear my excuses. Hey, ukatele uwatwati. I'm like, Shai Mayeni. That time Umusa saying that in his diary session, you guys, and the episodes are obviously aired way before the diary sessions. So I'm asking myself how. Umayeni beno Musa looks like they are abazwani. Kodingathi kuya department, when it comes to that department, it's not in local, it's not up for discussion. Their department, it must always melisebenze. Always, whether kukwatiwe noma kunjani, I'm like, yes, Umayeni received the elders' advice. She received it well and she's practicing it well. Ugirl ngeke azincishe ngenxa yokuthi inhliziyo yakhe is giving her problems with what her man's doing manje. Mele azincishe never phela. Umayeni guys, I think maybe she needs to teach some of us a lesson or two. Okay, she needs to give us tips. But my thing is, even though Umayeni is the one who seems like she doesn't give him problems in that area, who is he always coloring about? Is it not Mangwabi? So then my theory is that maybe, sharing someone there and there, maybe it keeps them coming for more. Asazi, guys. Anyway, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.